looks like these white mulberries are ready, and here I am in the garden picking them. Let's taste test this. Super delicious. Wow, the white mulberry is super delicious. I think I see more on the top. If you could see that, I will need a ladder to reach them. So, bye for now.